Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel SupportDesk TV. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your Windows password safely without losing your data. This method works for both Windows 11 and Windows 10. So as you can see on my desktop, I've forgotten my password and I'm clearly going to reset it. So we're going to use the accessibility panel, but first I need to make a few changes to it. So let's jump into it, guys. Hold your shift key, then restart your machine. This is going to take you to the Windows recovery page. So here we are, guys. Once on this page, go to troubleshoot, then head on to advanced options, then to command prompt. So I'll give a set of commands. Make sure you type them as they are. So you need to go and find your local disk C, then change the directory to Windows System 32. Then you can proceed to write the following command: ren space utilman.exe space utilman.exe.bak. Then you can hit enter. Also the following command: ren space cmd.exe space utilman.exe, then press enter. Now we need to reboot your machine. You can use the following command: wdeutil space reboot. Once it has rebooted, it's going to take you back to the Windows login profiles. So here we are, guys. I'm just going to type in my password, and of course it's not going to work. We need to go to the accessibility panel. So guys, as you can see now, it's changed to utilman.exe command. Now you can type the following command: control space user passwords 2. Control space user passwords 2. Once you've made sure you've written it correctly, you can click enter. Then it should take you to the password manager windows. There we are, guys. So from here you just need to select your user profile and then reset password. So from here you can just put a new password. Make sure you put a password that is easy to remember. So I'll go ahead and type in my new password and confirm my new password. After that's done, let's go ahead and click OK, then OK. Then need to exit the command prompt. And now guys, you can go ahead and put in your new password. See if it will log in. And there we go guys, we have safely logged in into our machine. You can go right ahead and check if your documents are there. So guys, we still need to go back and reset our accessibility panel as it was before. We're going to repeat the same process. So we need to reset it back. Just hold your shift key and restart your machine once again. Back to the Windows recovery panel. Once you're here, you just need to find your way to the command prompt. And to your local disk C. You need to change your directory to Windows System 32. Then you can type in the following command: ren space utilman.exe space cmd.exe. Then go ahead and click enter. Then you need to write this command also: ren.utilman. Sorry guys, it's ren space utilman.exe.bak space utilman.exe. Then click enter. Then proceed to reboot your machine. You can use the reboot command. It's wpe util space reboot. Then you click enter. Then we're going to check our accessibility panel if it's back to normal. So there it is guys, it's back to normal. Then you can proceed to log in. So guys, that's basically it. That's how you safely reset your Windows password. I hope you found this video helpful, and if it helped you, please like and subscribe, and see you guys